Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this bed rail that we got sent out for review. And let me tell you that I was very excited about it because my grandma is now needing one of those. And it comes with all the tools that you need to assemble it or to install it on the bed. And here is the assembly instructions and the tools and the other like arms that you will need to install it on your bed. Here is how it works. You just push it up or down, and you will be installing these parts so you can attach it to the bed. And this is how you will be installing. As you can see, the tools that are included in the package will allow you to install it. You don't need any other tool. Now here is how it looks on the bed. I can tell you that it's very sturdy and it is safe to put your elder person on the bed, and then they won't fall and they can grab from here, and it is easy to remove by the time that they need to leave the bed, or if you need to change them or bathe them. This is amazing.